Hey, happy Wednesday. Full throttle kind of guy coming at you from Hillsboro, my current hometown. But anyways, Wednesday again. After work, I had to go see my tire guy. If you do any amount of horse trading, part shopping, sometimes you gotta network. I found this one cat. His name's Ramon. If you need a good deal on tires, and if you live in the Hillsboro area or thereabouts, come see my homeboy. He's over at the Hillsboro Tire Shop. That's the sign up there. Got some good hours. Guy hustles, man. He's open 7 days a week. But numbers 503-327-6106. I'll put it up in the bio and the information as well. I want to hook him up. Good guy, man. I've already cut some good deals on some tires and that. If you buy pre-owned tires or used tires or whatever, be careful of the age. As a general rule of thumb, I don't buy anything older than 10 years. It's different if you got it and it's been like in your shop, heated garage, has been out. I mean, then you're gonna be good to go. One thing I wanted to kind of talk about was, I mentioned last time, is safety. The rims that I got, they're in the trunk, but I talked about valve stems. I got it from local parts place, AutoZone. It was like $4 and change, man. It's like, how could you not? Anyways, it's got the good metal stems and it's got the fresh rubber on it. So wheels that I currently have in the trunk right now, the valve stems, the rubber seals are just virtually gone. If you bounce, tires, or you go from rim to rim or whatnot, you always get that one problem child that's a little bit leaky or whatnot. 9 times out of 10, it's that stupid stem. Whether it's the Schrader valve or the rubber, who knows? But either way, when it comes to safety, again, wrecking your ride, getting hurt, hurting someone else, dude, how could you not spend that kind of money to get this, man? So he normally hooks me up. I'm gonna get my BF Goodrich's swapped for my current wheels, the steel rims, put on the lightweights, and then I'm gonna have the set of 15s put on front on the steels, just for hanging out or non-season events and that. So he's gonna squeeze me in. Cat's open until like 7 in the evening, sometimes a little bit later, but good hours, man. Again, there's a guy trying to make a living in that. You can go to a tire shop, one of them bigger shops and whatnot. You're gonna pay some big money for it. Matter of fact, I got a set of BF Goodrich's from him, 255/60 15s, real good tires, great shape, like brand new still. Way good tread on it for like $80 a tire. Mounting included with it too. So again, heck of a steal, man. If some tire shops now, man, you want to charge you like $40 just to swap a tire and balance, which is freaking ridiculous to me. Come on, dude, it's a tire. It's not rocket science. So I'll show you the stuff in the trunk. I also got my goodies, my starter caps and my lug nuts. So hold tight. So here goes my wheels, the center caps, and of course the appropriate lug nuts, shank lug nuts for the wheels. Again, in light, they look really good. In person, looks still a little bit hazy, and that needs some work, some finishing touches and that. But I think several applications of polishing and staying on top of it, that'll get a lot of the haze off of there. When I first got them, they were like milky white, but like I said, I managed to kind of battle them back to life. I don't know if you can see. I'm gonna get as close as I can. But look at the rubber around there, dude. Are you gonna trust yourself on the street? Especially if you know the conditions of the street in your local cities, man. They're rotten. And there's a way to blow out a stem, lose your car, and lose your life. See the haze, and you can kind of see like the cracks in the rubber. Again, looks good, great tread. Unfortunately, the tire went to waste, but oh well. Time for some different rubber on these bad boys. Hey, full throttle kind of guy, back at the house, got the work done. Like I said, Ramon was the hookup. Need tires, go check him out. Again, I'll post up his info in the description. Show you the pictures of what the vehicle looks like now, which I actually dig it, man, especially with the steel wheels in back. Kind of looks gangster. Hold on just a second. So there you go. There's the fronts. You see the right lug nuts, got the correct center cap, so we are set. So that's looking nice, and they're still rocking the steelies in back, and I'll put those on over the weekend sometime or here in the next couple of days, depending upon how I feel. So that'll be it for tonight. Hey, full throttle kind of guy, really appreciate you checking in with me, seeing what's up, and now you know. But old Death Trap looking kind of sexy. I know. I think if you got a car that you don't look back at or kind of like pause to look at, then you got the wrong car. This is the right car for me. So again, full throttle kind of guy, checking out for the night. Hopefully you guys have a great day, great evening, whatever you're doing right now. Spend time with the family, make memories. Love you. God bless.